Right, so it's up on power, bro. So what have you done since last time?
Ported the head.
Yeah.
And the back box.
Because 147's not a lot of brake horsepower.
And that was the timing was out 2 teeth.
Right, so you've sorted the timing out.
Yeah, done the timing.
We're up at 171 brake now.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at the massive power difference. That's just timing.
But the 171 before.
So you ran.
That was with my original cams.
You had ran 171 with cams, hadn't you? So this is on standard now.
Yeah, all I've done is had my old cams re-round.
Ah.
But I lost lift, you see, because it grinding off them.
Yeah.
So I probably won't know better off.
Well done.